Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode at this cool right here, and pretty much what this is a jump rope. If you can see for the one that we got right here from a brand called Renpho, and for this jump rope in particular, it's not like a regular jump rope. You do have the option to connect it onto Renpho app, so that way it can work as a smart jump rope to keep track of how much jump you guys do use, which is pretty awesome. So this is what the package looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do open up, inside right there we do have the product. If you guys do take it out, once you guys do take it out, first the inside they do provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And then underneath that we do have everything else. So right here they do provide a little bag for you to store everything inside, so that you can carry around really easily and organize it if you guys do need to. Underneath that they do give you guys two of the jump rope option. So they do provide you guys a longer one and a shorter one. The shorter one is 2.5 mm and the long one is 4.5. So depending on which one you guys want to use, that is totally up to you guys. But you see the material that's on here definitely looks like a high quality material for both of them. The 2.5 one is a little bit thinner compared to the 4.5. So that is what it actually looks like. Next thing right here, they do provide the battery that's used, and they provide you guys accessory for you guys to actually mount it together. Let me open up to show you guys what I mean. So here we do have the battery with the AAA battery. So they do provide two of them. And then here they do provide the accessory for you guys to mount the product when you guys want to lock it in, which I will show you in a second. But here we do have the handle for the jump rope. If you guys see the material on here, it is a high quality material. These are much more higher quality than it is a smart jump rope. But we see right here we do have the brand name. And both sides of the handle they do have the hole for you guys to insert it in. And it is 360 rotatable. Where for this side right here we do have the brand name, but we do have the display screen for you guys to turn it on. So I do press on it one time. So when I do press on it, it should turn on. But because right now we don't have the battery in, you guys have to put it in first. So the way how I put the battery inside is in the bottom. So I have to open up. That is where to put in the battery. So the battery should only go on the side where I actually had the display screen. So let's open up and put it inside. So I do put it in, the positive go inside first. Once you guys got it in, you guys can close it back up. And once you guys put the battery inside, you can see how it does turn on. So I do press the button. You guys can change different settings on here when you guys do use it. If you guys are curious about what each different setting is for, they do tell you right here. So there's a free jump, time countdown, or number countdown option. And for the product, like I mentioned, you do have the option to connect it onto Bluetooth onto the app, which I will show you in a second. But see on this side right here, they do provide instruction to teach you guys how to set up the rope. So I'm just put it on to show you guys how to do it. We'll use a thicker option. So the rope itself is actually very high quality and it's very long, if you can see. But pretty much what you guys want to do is just slide it through. It doesn't really matter if you guys do the top or the bottom, but I'll start the bottom to the top. So just make sure it goes through the hole like this. Once you guys got it through the hole like this, you guys want to get this little accessory right here to hold it in place. So just like this. Make sure it goes all the way in, top and bottom, just like that. Once you guys got it in, you guys use this part right here to put it in. Make sure it goes all the way in. Once you guys got it all the way in, here's what the part looks like. So I'm gonna do the same thing for our side. So it's actually very easy and very simple. It's not hard at all. So once you guys got both of them in, here's what the part looks like. So once you guys finish this step, what you're gonna do is connect it on the app. So the app that you're gonna download should be Renpho app or Renpho Health. Once you guys finish downloading the app, here's what the app looks like. So you can see how once we finish downloading the app, it does show you guys the product on the bottom. So I'm gonna click on connect. So right now it's connecting. Once you guys got connected, this is what the app looks like. So instead it goes on here or use different mode or different setting on the bottom that I mentioned earlier. I'm assuming once you guys start using it, it will start counting. So let's say for example, if I start using it. If you see how it starts calculating the data that's on there. So very easy and very simple for you to use it. But I'm just go to a different room to show you guys what part looks like when you guys do use it, to give you guys an idea of how long the rope is when you guys do use it. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here I do have the jump rope. It might be hard for me to show it in the video because it's really long, but I'll try my best. Let me try to move the camera a little bit further back. Alright, that's the first I can go. So I do test it out. Let me show you guys what part looks like. So you can see the product definitely does work. And they do show you the number on here when you guys do use it, depending on what mode you guys do use. Like I mentioned for the product, if it's too long or too short, feel free to adjust it. But you do want to give yourself some space when you guys do use it. You don't want the rope to hit like the wall or whatever when you guys do use it. So I do it one more time. And you see the product definitely does work. But Because of the space that I do have right here, it's harder for me to show you guys the whole overview of what the product looks like. But that's a quick little test or demo to show you guys that does work. Welcome back, guys. So nice little quick test of product, and definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. So obviously for the cable, if it is too long, feel free to adjust it to make it longer or shorter based on your own preference, since it is adjustable. That is definitely one of the good things about the Renpho Jumbo, because of the fact that how she allows you guys to adjust it to make it longer or shorter. That is actually really cool. On top of all that, it actually allows you guys to keep track of your health and how often you guys are using it when you guys do use the product. So that way, if you guys want to compete against your friend, maybe if they have the same product, you guys can compete to see who uses it longer and how many jumps you guys can do. So that way it's motivate each other to be more healthy when you guys use the product, which is pretty awesome. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. If you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality jump rope that allow you guys to adjust the different length and give you guys the option connected on the app to keep track of how often you're using it and how your health is doing as well, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.